and after we are back from our trip, our 20,000 service was due. So now we are in Sky Automobiles Mahindra workshop, getting the car cleaned and pampered. The best part is even after 20,000 kilometers. So right now the car is at 24,500 something. Brake pads are still intact. They have not worn out. Around they say that the life is around 3 to 4,000 more. So approximately maybe the brake pad should last around 30,000 kilometers. So it's now ready for the next road trip. Now the car is getting vacuumed because there was lots and lots of dust, especially on the South India road trip. Since we had gone to beaches, a lot of sand inside. We tried to remove, but deep vacuuming is required. And that's the vacuuming machine. There are around 5 or 6 people onto my car. Everybody is doing some or the other thing, pampering it till the best. Now we are getting 70 mats fitted on our 700. The one which came with the car were rubber mats, not that effective. And those are the mats. They are the Autotech company, one of the best companies. They are a bit costly as compared to other companies in the market. The other companies start from around 4,000, 4,500, but this one is around 6,500.
Uncle is removing plastic too because when the car came, plastic bhi tha and we didn't remove it. This is a bit tricky actually.
Seats has to close.
Yeah, the seats have to close.
These are the old mattings which came with the car. Seriously, the 70 ones are way much better than the old ones. See, they cover every corner. And now the front ones. The last row and the second row is done. The middle row looks
awesome.
And that's the one in dicky. And they have the badging also from Autotech.